Ify Oyoyodoki and you're welcome back to my kitchen. On today's recipe, I'll be showing step by step on how to make this mouth-watering, delicious grilled garlic and lemon shrimps, smothered with some vegetable which will be parsley and some cilantro. So guys, if you love shrimps like me, this will be a very good delight for you. I'll be using frozen shrimps for my delicious grilled garlic shrimp, and also we have 6 cloves of garlic. We have lemon, we'll be using half of the lemon, and we have our fresh herbs. Here I have some parsley leaf and some cilantro leaves. So let's get going, guys. And first of all, we're going to pick the leaves. The leaves are already washed, so you can use your hand to pick it, or you can use the knife to pick it as well. So we are now going to give it a very tiny cut. Make sure you cut it very tiny because it helps to bring out the flavor and the vegetables. So here I'm cutting the parsley. Make sure you cut it very tiny. Alright, so I'm cutting those cilantro. Is a very powerful, cilantro has a very powerful flavor, very domineering flavor, and we're going to use that with the parsley to get the harmony we are looking for in this recipe. So if you like to use rosemary or other vegetables, feel free to do that, but I prefer to go with these two because of the flavor and the aroma it gives to the garlic shrimp. So we're going to cut the lemon. So we're only going to use half of the lemon. You squeeze out the juice very nicely. Alright, so I'm going to grate my garlic, and I have just a thumb size of ginger is what I'm going to use here to give it that kick and also bring out the flavor. If you want to blend the garlic, yeah, you go ahead and blend it. Guys, it's mixing time. We have our cilantro and some parsley all chopped in tiny pieces, and we have our garlic and a little bit of ginger here. So we are going to get that into this bowl. You can see the chunk of garlic we have here. And then we have 1/4 cup of olive oil. We have half a teaspoon of black pepper and half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper to give it the kick. We are looking salt to taste. Forget the lemon, the fresh lemon we squeezed. This will make about a tablespoon of lemon juice. Right, so we are going to give it a mix. Make sure you mix thoroughly to get everything all well combined. As you can see, our shrimps, they have their tails on, so we're going to leave it like that because it helps give it the the shape and helps with the curves when we put it on the skewer. Now we are going to add, so in adding the vegetable, make sure you add about 80% of your vegetable mix. We are going to use our hands to marinate the shrimp to make sure every one of it is nicely coated. And after we are done doing this, we are going to set it aside for 30 minutes in the fridge. So guys, we are ready. This is 30 minutes after. You can see how our shrimp is looking. Right in, make sure you pierce nicely, so all the way. Ready. This is one delicious shrimp that if you don't take time, you're gonna finish it before your guest comes in. So if you're expecting visitors, or if you have a large family, make sure you make enough so that everybody will have a feel. And this is another way to treat yourself to a sumptuous, delicious, yummy, tasty grilled shrimp on an event like Valentine that is just here. Alright, so we're gonna continue this. Okay, I can see it takes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to repeat this in all our skewers. So guys, you can see our shrimp is ready to be grilled. Do remember this is still winter, but if you feel like giving yourself some summer treat, this is an amazing, delicious recipe, and I believe you're going to totally enjoy it. I really enjoy making this. It's so flavorful. So we're going to add some more of the seasoning on the shrimp to have it coated nicely before we grill. So you can use your indoor grill to get this deliciousness and treat yourself good. Like I said, we're on a lockdown. If you haven't watched my Valentine's special, please, I will leave the link on the description box or attach it to this video for you to watch some of the recipes I made for Valentine. And this is another great way to treat yourself. All right, you can see I've already greased my grilling pan. So let's get our shrimps in. All right, so you can see the shrimp is grilling nicely. We're gonna allow it to grill 3 minutes on this side and then flip it through for another 3 minutes. So guys, you can see our grilled garlic shrimp is also ready. I tell you, it smells so amazing. So it's like having summer in the indoors. So I can't tell you how excited I am to dig into this. It's one of my favorite way of eating shrimp in the summer, and you can try, give it a try. The taste is out of this world. Grilled garlic shrimps, so flavorful, very delicious. So what we did here was to add some of the seasoning on top to give it more, juicy and garlicky taste. I tell you, this tastes so amazing. Do give it a try at home. And if you like the video, don't forget to leave us some nice comments and give us some thumbs up. You can see very fresh and juicy, nicely grilled. Thank you for watching our video today. We do appreciate it. Don't forget to treat yourself to a nice, delicious dish. One of the way to relax, binge on your favorite movie. If you're a lover of wine, yeah, you can have this with red wine. I'm just going to have this and drink some nice lemon juice.